Hi friends, today I am sharing a new project, beautiful and nice, very easy to make. So I am starting here. Just stay and watchful to learn. This is the fabric which is 8-inch wide and 14-inch long, and this is the straight side, and here is a round shape. You can shape it any of plate or any kind of round shape. Easily you can make it. Here is a lining fabric inner. Place it here, and this is same like interface, a formic sheet or interface. Put it here and place it. This is the main fabric which is used for the tutorial. Place it like even nicely and stitch around the shape. Stitch around the shape. So let's even it and then stitch. Wait. Then this is the stitch here, and I have a straight fabric of this lining piece. Stitch like this, fold and fold here. Wait, भी बना सकते हैं.
ये क्यों नहीं मोड़ा? चेस्ट आ रही है क्या है? नमाज पढ़ लिया गया है?
आती नहीं है सीधी
कर दिया उन्होंने.
कौन सा सही? This is the final look, and you can make it easily at your home. It is very useful. You can use for putting mobile in it and save your money in it, and any special documents store inside for to keep safe. Must try and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.